Son.
Who is that?
I am just a random voice, but how long you are going to slap this thing?
Then what to do?
You need a new modern solution
Like what?
like this.
What is this thing?
This is a new generation radio, which is portable, has Bluetooth, multimedia.
Oh, nice. Wait, are you sponsoring this thing?
What? No.
Then why you are sounding like marketing guy?
Look, son, do you want it or I'll take it back?
No, I want it. Yeah.
Okay, then enjoy.
This is Acoosta SUNO, a portable speaker which has FM, Bluetooth, 1000 inbuilt songs, aux in, aux out, USB player. The only thing this speaker can't do is probably take calls. No, wait, it can do that too? Okay, so when a product claims to do so many things, it's doubtful whether it can do anything good enough or everything is just a cheap trick. We'll find out. Hey everyone, my name is Parth. You're watching InfoPal. And let's start with the unboxing. Right off the bat, the build and the look seems to be quite clean. Probably this particular color helps the cause. All the buttons are located at top and all the ports at the back. The overall plastic build has nothing to complain about. On the surface, it seems quite solid. However, when you pay closer attention, especially on the ports, the cost cutting is quite evident. Even the rubber padding down below does not seem to be aligned properly, so there is a hint of loose quality control. That is why, even though the outside shell seems to be quite rigid, I would be cautious about dropping this thing. The buttons on the top are made of rubber. It's soft and semi-tactile, but nothing to complain about. The device is quite hefty in weight compared to its size. That's maybe because all the modules fit inside this thing. Talking about the modules, let's talk about all the features this speaker has, and let's start with the ports. So it has got a micro USB for charging, USB port to connect pen drive or data storages, aux in to connect audio source like your phone or laptop, and aux out to connect to an external speaker and headphone. There is an antenna for FM at the back which can be folded. Button wise, at first you see the power on off button followed by the volume down and up button. Then there is play pause button. On both the sides of the play button there are buttons to navigate tracks. Then there is an M button to change the modes between Bluetooth and FM. And finally there is a dedicated button for all the 1000 included songs. Switching on the device, it will start playing loaded songs by default.
Welcome to Acoosta.
To connect with Bluetooth, you have to press the M button and wait for it to say Bluetooth mode. After that, you have to find the Acoosta speaker from the Bluetooth list of your phone or laptop and tap to pair. It has Bluetooth 5.0, so the connection is very quick and stable. Coming back to the 1000 inbuilt songs, the audio files are quite high resolution and pretty clean, thanks to the Sony Music tag that it comes with. And these songs are actually categorized in particular genres, which they are calling as stations. Long press on the forward and back button lets you toggle between these stations.
Hidden gems, party hits, ghazal.
Now personally I am very satisfied with the song selection they have made and the way they have categorized the songs, but I understand that is more subjective, so let's move on. Now the FM part. It is there, it works as usually it should. There is nothing much to talk about here, although I would have liked if there was a visual representation of the channel. Also, lack of manual tuning of the channels hinders the overall experience. However, you can long press the play button to auto tune the channels. Now this thing charges with a micro USB cable and takes about 3 hours to fully charge. It claims to have a battery life of 5 hours, which is kind of close to the reality. But to be honest, for a Bluetooth speaker of this size, the battery life seems to be very less. Now the sound quality, which I have to say I was quite doubtful before receiving this product, and I am happy to say I was wrong. Now don't get me wrong here, this is not one of the best sounding Bluetooth speakers at this price. However, this is not the worst either. The bass is punchy but not quite thumping as it claims to be, and I am happy for that because that makes the highs and the vocals clean and easy to the ears. The overall sound signature also has a bit of warmth which adds to the experience. Volume wise, it is quite loud for its size. Interesting thing is there is a huge difference in the last two steps of the volume, due to which there is a sudden jump in the volume when adjusting. I would have appreciated if it was calibrated slightly better. All in all, the sound quality was surprisingly good. So to conclude, should you buy this speaker? If you are looking for just a Bluetooth speaker, then there are better options available at this price point, especially in terms of sound output, build quality and battery life. But this is not your typical Bluetooth speaker. This is a unique product which caters to a particular generation, or more specifically a particular nostalgia of FM and old Hindi songs. If you want to wake up in the morning and want to be greeted with warm radio voices and old melodies, this is a product for you. Also, another main USP of this product is its ease of use. If there is a person who doesn't want the hassle of connecting to a Bluetooth device or connect multiple wires and just want to press one button to start listening to music, this product is for them. Now there are products which can do exactly the same things, but this seems to be a perfect balance of size, sound and price. That's all for this video. Until next time, this is Parth signing off from InfoPal, and I will see you in the next video.